Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Zio basically is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a for the most part normal cost of dollars and polar toward the finish of 2025, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. In a bullish situation, Zio could by and large outperform the $15-14 mark for 2050, exhibiting really possible vertical energy, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Zio cost figure proposes a chance of Zio exchanging between $0.184836 to $0.18746 in 2030, which truly is genuinely critical. The typical extended cost for Zio in 2040 sort of is supposed to basically be 9.49, with sort of likely change somewhere in the range of $8.91 and $10.53 in an exceptionally huge manner. The especially current market cost of one Zio especially is $0.07, which generally is genuinely critical. Starting around $4 walk 2024 Zio explicitly is exchanging at $0.07 in term of its OST rate, with the value change of 47% in very most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally significant manner. Zio most certainly has a sort of complete market cap of $144,201.23 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $10 and $2,600, which especially is genuinely critical. This in every way that really matters makes Zio lovely positioning at 377 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Zio cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Zio especially be essentially worth in 2024, which truly is very critical? Is Zio a wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Zio cost generally outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? These in every way that really matters are our Zio cost expectations for Zio's future, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Zio value expectation 2024 as per the Zio figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Zio cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.157. The normal certainly least value worth of Zio toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.152, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Zio can especially arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $0.169, which in a real sense is very critical. Zio value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Zio by and large is determined to basically be at around a base worth of $105, which essentially is genuinely critical. The Zio value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $118 with it for the most part normal exchanging worth of $115 in OST in an extremely huge way. Zio value conjecture April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Zio explicitly is fundamentally anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $119, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.124 and a truly least of $0.114, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Zio value estimate May 2024. The Zio value for May 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.117, while the truly most extreme gauge value sort of is around $0.128. The really normal cost for Zio essentially is generally anticipated to, for the most part, reach $0.122 in May 2024, which by and large is very critical. Zio value expectation June 2024. Zio cost truly is supposed to, in a real sense, reach between $0.121 to $0.133 in June 2024. While the truly normal cost of Zio for the June basically remains around $0.125. Zio value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the most extreme cost for Zio could fundamentally stretch around $0.1, which explicitly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Zio in July 2024 basically is $0.126 with a very normal cost of $0, which sort of is very critical. Zio value gauge August 2024. The Zio cost for August 2024 may sort of arrive at a kind of least worth of $129, while the for the most part greatest estimated cost is around $145 in an unpretentious manner. The typical cost for Zio sort of is really anticipated to, in a real sense, reach $0.134 in August 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Zio value expectation September 2024. The cost for Zio in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.135 and $0.150, which generally is genuinely critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.1 for us in an extremely huge manner. Zio value figure October 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Zio could sort of go to $0.145 toward the finish of October 2024 in a quite huge manner. Zio could especially be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.156 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.1 for us in a huge manner. Zio value conjecture November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Zio truly is supposed to especially arrive at any rate value worth of $0.146, or so they by and large thought. The Zio cost could in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $0.162 with a very normal cost around $0.151, or so they fundamentally thought. Zio value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Zio is supposed to sort of be at around an extremely least of $0.152, which basically is genuinely critical. Zio cost can truly arrive at a limit of $0.169 with the typical cost of $0.157 in USD, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Zio extremely past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, but crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 874% in its especially current worth. Assuming we in a real sense look at the truly current market cap of the Zio with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. From for the most part most recent 7 days, the Zio certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 32%, or so they by and large thought. Zio really has shown extremely sought major areas of strength for of potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense, great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, or so they by and large thought. Zio value figure 2024 facts. What will especially be Zio essentially worth in 2024, or so they generally thought. The Zio cost is determined to, in every practical sense, arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0.169 with fundamentally least cost of $0.152 toward the finish of 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Zio especially have a future, which truly is very critical? As far as value, Zio explicitly has a remarkable sort of potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, which is genuinely huge. It explicitly is. Figure that Zio will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As per really unambiguous specialists and business experts, Zio can truly raise a ruckus around town.